Hey, what's up, fam? Thank y'all for tuning in once again. As always, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I drop a video, you will be the first to know about it. So continue on my illegal immigrant Latino series for the weekend. Got another video from foxnews.com, and this reads, legal immigrants outraged as illegal migrants pour into the U.S. It has to stop. Here's a quote, says, I followed the law and it took nearly 20 years for me to become a citizen. Muhammad Hassan told America's Newsroom. Man, let's get into this. Legal U.S. immigrants are growing increasingly frustrated with the surge of illegal immigration under the Biden administration. Pakistani immigrant Muhammad Hassan and German immigrant Sabine Durden Coulter joined America's Newsroom Tuesday to express outrage over what they see as unfairness after they spent years following the rules to become citizens. Hassan said he has been trying for 4 years to bring his wife to the U.S. after working for nearly 20 years to become a citizen himself. Every time the government has asked for a piece of paper, we provided it in a week or less. And every time the response has been nothing but silence, Hassan said Tuesday, adding that he has contacted his congressman, senator, and the White House. See, people, that's what you're supposed to do. When you got a problem, you contact your congressman, your senator, and your White House. Matter of fact, I just got this book today. Don't know when I'm gonna get to read it. But I just got this book, How to Change the Law, by John Thibault. See, I try to figure things out with the government, because you can talk, you can complain all you want, but until you get down and actually put in the work, I don't want to hear you. And then nobody else want to hear you. It's all for nothing. So I'm gonna read that and see if that kind of helps out. I don't know. I just, like I said, just came in today. I got a couple of books came in today. One called How Infrastructure Works. So, I mean, look, I want to know about the government and how this stuff works. Only way to do is to read about it and to immerse yourself in education. He said all those channels are supposed to be available to law-abiding Americans have been exhausted. So here I am. Hassan described the heartbreaking toll the process has taken on the couple, including not being able to start a family. It's not just kids, right? It's memories we're not making. It's vacations we're not taking. It's a life that we're not getting to live together. It's thousands of dollars in tickets, and I'm having to run 2 households. It's not cheap, and I get no sympathy when I write to my congressman or my senator or to anybody in a position of power. When asked by anchor Dana Perino who his congressman was, Hassan named Representative Jim McGovern, Democrat of Massachusetts. It not only hurts the people who makes that choice to come here illegally, it hurts the rest of the country. It's a breakdown in our law and order based society that immigrants have come to value, he concluded. Durden Coulter said she came to California in 1989 with a resident alien card and became an American citizen in February of 1996, a process that required time, money, and resources. I'm very angry. I'm upset. I'm saddened. I'm disappointed how this can happen in America, she said. I was married to an American soldier and had to fill out tons of paperwork, paid lots of money, spent many, many hours to fill out paperwork to come with him. But you got these migrants now, they giving them food, clothing, shelter, money, cars, allow them to carry guns. Some of them commit crimes, let them right back out on the street. They get all this, but you got these people who came over, like I say, did follow the process to the T, and they get nowhere. They say Durden Coulter's life changed forever in July 2012 when her son Dominic was killed in a motorcycle accident caused by an undocumented driver on probation in California. My gosh. The Guatemalan migrant who had a long rap sheet, including an armed robbery and 2 DUIs, was deported in 2014. Amazing. It's funny how people who are illegal or who are criminals get more rights than law-abiding citizens. It's sad that it's still like that. I came the right way, and I have And all I have left of my family is my son Dominic, his ashes. Dirt and Culture said, people need to start speaking out, speaking up, because this is now affecting everybody, everywhere in the United States. I don't care where you live. It has to stop. And our government has really got to get together. I don't want to hear from another angel family. I don't want to hear another angel mom crying while telling me her story. This story right here had to be told, because this is what a lot of us has been saying, that you got citizen migrants who have become citizens or who are trying to become citizens. Like this guy said, he's been here 20 years. And for the last 4 years, we're trying to get his wife over here. And he gets nothing. But yet you got people who can storm the border. Storm it. And they're saying that they may be able to stay. Fly them to sanctuary cities, and these sanctuary mayors and governors get upset at Greg Abbott. But yet, your president is the one who opened these borders. Open them wide open to where these people feel no fear in trying to come over here. And they storm the border with armed National Guard sitting right there, and National Guard does nothing but let them in. But they arrest them, but I didn't see no pepper spray, no water hose, no batons, no rubber bullets. Didn't see none of that. The Democratic Party is alienating all citizens and future citizens of this country. And they've done it all in a matter of 3 years. And it seems like it's not getting any better. So like I said once, said 1,000 times, if you plan on voting for the Democratic Party, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know, because they have shown you who they are. Don't go by what they promise and what they're fighting for, because what Biden is doing in these campaigns, talking about he's fighting for this, fighting for that. Man, you are in power. What the heck are you fighting for? You're supposed to be in power to make sure things are done. That's what you're there for. Anything you want to do, you write executive orders for. What are you fighting for? You shouldn't be fighting for anything. Everything should be going your way. When Trump was in office, a lot of stuff he didn't fight for, he just did it. Executive orders, and he had that whole ask for forgiveness, not permission mentality. He do it. If he can't do it, then Supreme Court say he can't do it, and that's fine. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next thing. So when you're in office, you ain't fighting for nothing. But anyway, tell me what you think about this story. Like I said, this is a sad story. Should be an upsetting story, because hey, things are going backwards, and we don't know what I believe is for jobs. Try to get these folks in here so they can work these jobs, pay them as little as possible, so these big corporations continue to make money. Capitalistic society. That's how it works. Anyway, tell me what you think about this story. Leave your comments below. Share it with the world. Let's dialogue. You know how we do it around here. Support the channel. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. 4 ways you can support the channel non-monetary for free. Take you a couple of minutes to do so. If you want to support monetarily, you can do super chat, super thanks, or you can go down to the description box, click on the links there. Support that way. If you got any ideas, anything you want to talk about, hit me up. soulinthesoil@gmail.com. And with that being said, I'll leave you in peace, and I'll see you on the other side.